Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to continue a topic from chemical reactions and equations, that is different types of reactions. Okay, so what are the different types of reactions? We have four reactions which we are going to see here: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Right? So in the combination reaction, what we are going to do is we are allowing ammonia and hydrogen chloride to form NH4Cl. So in this, two reactants are combining together to form a combined product, that is ammonium chloride. Followed. Now here there are different activities which shows how combination reaction takes place. The second reaction, that is 2Mg plus O2, gives 2 magnesium oxide, that we are going to do in the lab as well, because that's there in your practicals also, right? So 2 magnesium plus oxygen, once combined, they forms magnesium oxide. So when two reactants react and form a single product, it is called as a combination reaction. Another such example is of calcium oxide along with water, which forms calcium hydroxide along with heat. Right? So we can see that when two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product, it is called as a combination reaction. Followed, students? Now in the next, that is decomposition reaction, what we do is we take some sugar, we put it in an evaporating dish and heat it with the help of Bunsen burner, right? Now what you see is the substance will burn out, okay, into a black substance. So what is happening is a molecule of sugar is divided into different products. So in such reaction where one reactant is giving rise to two or more products, such reactions are called as decomposition reactions. Here you can see a decomposition reaction of calcium carbonate, right? So what is happening is we are heating the calcium carbonate powder in the first substance. So it will lead to the formation of calcium oxide along with carbon dioxide. And that is why the lime water will turn milky, because of the presence of carbon dioxide. It means that calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, has got converted into CaO along with CO2. Followed. There is another such reaction which is of H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, which undergoes natural decomposition in water and oxygen. Both are decomposition reactions. Now next is electrolysis. Lysis means breakdown and electrolysis means when you pass electricity, some compound is broken down. So when you pass electricity through water, it forms hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. This is called as electrolysis, right? We have already studied this in 9th standard. So the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant, it is called as a decomposition reaction. Next, that is displacement reaction. So naturally something is displaced here. Now if you see the reaction, when you add zinc dust to copper sulfate solution, zinc takes up the place of copper and copper is displaced. So this is a very simple example of displacement reactions. Followed, because zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate, it forms ZnSO4. Now let us see the reaction in which the place of the ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions is called as displacement reaction. Moving on to the next, that is double displacement reaction. Now here you will see that both the ions will be displaced. So Ag will take up the place of Na and Na will take up the place of Ag. Correct? So in this, double displacement is taking place. So in the reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate, they are called as, it is called as double displacement reactions. Followed, students? So we are clear with all the 4 types of reactions. I hope it is clear to everyone. Right? Thank you so much, students, for watching the video.